Today, we're going to show you how to share your Skype profile link in 2024. Whether you want to make it easier for friends, colleagues, or clients to find and connect with you, sharing your Skype ID or profile link is a quick and simple process. So let's get started. First things first, go to your web browser and type in Skype. You can simply download the Skype or use in your web browser. Now, make sure you sign in with your Skype account. If you're not logged in, enter your credential to access your account. Once you're signed in, go to your profile. In the top left corner of the corner, in your profile, you'll see options for share profile. Simply type on your Skype profile and tap on share profile. Now here you can see your link. Simply click on copy to clipboard, and here now you can send the link to anybody you want, and that's how you share your Skype profile link